Now, many of you already know that SARS is always watching, closely monitoring our bank accounts. Now they've made the systems even much stronger, and whatever you generate, they want the piece of the pie. You know that um, if you are employed somewhere, or whether you own a business that is generating money, you need to pay SARS what is due to SARS. You need to give Caesar what belongs to Caesar, which is why I believe that if there are any opportunities that enables us as South Africans to not pay tax, we need to take that. And which brings me to this video. On this video today, I want to talk to you about an account that you can open it and or start investing and pay no tax. So before we dig deep into that, please do like this video, please do subscribe. You know, everything that I say here on this channel, it's not PR advice. These are just my opinions, and if you seek PR advice, you already know what to do, and that is you need to consult the professionals. But I think I must pass the fact that YouTube tells me that some of you guys that are watching have not subscribed, or many of the people that are watching are not subscribing, which is why I would like to request that as you watch, as you like, you also subscribe on the content, because it does take me some time to create this kind of content, and I'm hoping that the content that I'm sharing with you, especially about investing, it's very beneficial. It's helping you, or it will at least spike something in your mind to start thinking about these things, because it's important, guys, for you to go to the next level financially. You need to be investing somewhere somehow, because without investing, then there's no hope, right? Without investing, you will need to open probably for you to make it, you will need to have a business that generates tons and tons of money. And what are the odds of a business surviving in this economy in South Africa? I'm telling you, it's not that easy. So everyone in South Africa needs to be investing. And if this is your content, please, I'll appreciate you guys if you just like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. But anyways, before wasting any more of your time, the account that I think every South African should have or should open, it's of course the tax-free savings account. I have touched base on this a bit on this channel, but I feel like I did not go into detail. Tax-free savings account is a type of an account that is very powerful for building long-term wealth in South Africa. The key benefit is that all the growth within this account, whether from interest, dividend, capital gains, is completely tax-free. It is completely tax-free, and this is provided that you play by the rules. There are rules that guide or that govern this tax-free savings account. Like for instance, you know that, or if you did not know, on this type of an account, you are allowed to invest or to put money up to 36,000 rands annually. If you go and put more than that, you will be penalized, and will get to the penalties very soon. So you need to live by the laws for you to benefit all dividends, all returns, and everything that you gain from this account. So it is for that reason that I believe that every South African should have this account, because this is the quickest, this is the account, or the only account that you can enjoy making money and not pay SARS anything. Something that is so amazing, and I think everyone should open this account, right? I mean, like I said, the key advantages of this account is that it's tax-free on compound growth. Whatever you earn as growth or as earnings, SARS won't take nothing from that. And it is number two, it is flexible access to funds, unlike retirement funds with withdrawal penalties and all that. Tax-free savings, you can access it whenever you want, you can withdraw your money whenever you want, which is something that is very, very good. However, withdrawing before time, or before you maximize your lifetime, maximize before you reach your lifetime contribution, which is 500,000, it of course reduces your lifetime contribution, which is something that you must take cognizant of. I mean, this can be the option B or the plan B that you use as your retirement. You can even open it for your child and save for their school fees or university fees. As you know that varsity fees are quite high, so this is an asset vehicle that you can use for that. But also for, imagine, I mean, for you to maximize, if you are contributing 36,000 annually onto this account, it will take you roughly 14-15 years for you to get to a lifetime contribution of that 500,000. And obviously along the years, if you are buying right assets or right ETFs, you get to enjoy not only the returns from the assets that you are buying, but you also get to enjoy the dividends, money from the dividends that you receive, which is absolutely great, something that is exciting about this whole thing. So I think everyone should consider opening this account, because you get to at least run away or you get to catch a breath from SARS, because everything else that you generate outside of this you need to remember SARS, or you need to pay SARS, because if you don't, SARS will come for you. We read stories almost on a daily basis of people coming or not paying SARS, and SARS coming for them. And this one, I'm telling you, the good thing is that SARS will not come for you. You are investing, and whatever you gain from your investment, it's all yours. It's something that is so exciting. I mean, we have read so many stories. There are so many people that have shared their stories about the tax-free savings account, where at the time they maxed out, or they get to the final year where they reach a lifetime limit of 500,000, they had like 1.5 million on that account. Now imagine now, you are a married person, you have got your wife, you've got your child, and all of you guys, because you've been contributing the amount at the same time, you've got 1.4 multiplied by 3. It's I'm telling you, it can be that thing that helps you go to the next level. And it's like, and the good thing, like I said, it's free. And it's just that a lot of people I've seen that they don't know much about this account, but it is very important that you have it. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. I just thought I'd come and quickly do this video for you and tell you why it is important to have a tax-free savings account. Tell me what you think about this. Some people might be asking, how do I open one? There are so many brokers out there that allows you to open, or that have got a tax-free savings account within them. You can choose, or you can go check brokers like Easy Equities, Frank. You can go check other brokers. Even your bank, multiple banks here in South Africa, they do offer that type of an account. So there's no excuse. It's easy to open this account. You can open it everywhere, and you start putting money for the future. Yeah, so let me end it here. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.